Celestron NexStar 6SE. Your personal tour guide to the universe. No experience required. Why settle for an ordinary telescope when you can have one that practically does the stargazing for you? The Celestron NexStar 6SE isn't just a telescope, it's your cosmic concierge. Packed with SkyAlign technology and a fully automated GoTo mount, this beast locates and tracks over 40,000 celestial objects with pinpoint precision. Whether you're a total newbie or a seasoned space explorer, this Schmidt-Cassegrain powerhouse brings the moon, planets, and deep sky wonders right to your eyepiece with minimal effort. Say goodbye to frustration and hello to instant interstellar adventure. Unlike clunky, complicated telescopes that require hours of setup and guesswork, the NexStar 6SE is engineered for effortless exploration. Its SkyAlign feature lets you align in minutes, just point at 3 bright objects, and boom! Your telescope knows exactly where it is in the universe. From there, you can take a customized sky tour, guiding you to the best nebulae, star clusters, and galaxies visible from your location. No maps, no confusion, just pure astronomical magic at the push of a button. Perfect for backyard astronomers, aspiring astrophotographers, and anyone who just wants to dive into the cosmos without the headache. What makes this telescope worth every penny? Precision-engineered optics. The 6-inch primary mirror delivers breathtaking detail on celestial objects, see Saturn's rings, Jupiter's cloud bands, and even deep sky targets like the Orion Nebula and the Andromeda Galaxy in stunning clarity. Unlike many starter telescopes, the NexStar 6SE Schmidt-Cassegrain design maximizes light-gathering power while keeping the size compact. This means you get a high-powered, professional-quality experience and a telescope that won't take up your entire living room. If you think high-tech means high maintenance, think again. The NexStar 6SE is built to last, with a sturdy single fork arm and a steel tripod for ultimate stability. Its battery-powered operation makes it easy to take on camping trips or dark sky excursions, while its modular design ensures you can upgrade over time with StarSense auto-align, GPS, and Wi-Fi connectivity. With a 2-year warranty and legendary Celestron reliability, you're investing in a telescope that will grow with you, from your first look at the moon to discovering deep space galaxies like a pro. The Celestron NexStar 6SE is the ultimate mix of power, portability, and smart technology. While other telescopes leave you fumbling in the dark, this one lets you navigate the stars like an expert, on your very first night. If you're ready to stop guessing and start exploring, the NexStar 6SE is your ticket to the universe. Don't just look up, discover what's out there.